Scene. The video opens with a sleek, minimalist shot of a new unidentified tech gadget against a dark, moody background. A single beam of light glides across its surface, revealing a smooth, metallic finish. Soft ambient electronic music begins to play. In a world constantly moving, staying connected, creative, and in control has never been more crucial. We believe technology should not just keep up, but empower your every moment. It should feel less like a tool and more like an extension of your own potential. That's why we've poured years of innovation into creating something that doesn't just perform, but inspires. Introducing the Aura Prism, a device engineered to redefine the boundaries of your digital world. It's more than just the next step in technology. It's a leap into a future where your ideas have no limits. Scene. The music tempo increases slightly. Quick cuts show close-ups of the gadget. On-screen text animates to highlight each feature. At the heart of the Aura Prism is our revolutionary quantum core processor. This isn't just about speed. It's about intelligent, predictive performance that learns from your habits, launching apps before you even think to tap them, and optimizing battery life with unparalleled efficiency. We've also integrated a haptic glass display. Feel the subtle texture of a brushstroke in a design app, or the satisfying click of a shutter button right under your fingertips. It transforms every interaction from a simple touch into a rich, tactile experience. Completing the trio is the adaptive focus camera system, which uses real-time environmental analysis to adjust its lens and sensors, capturing breathtakingly vivid photos and cinematic 4K video, whether you're in bright daylight or under the soft glow of city lights. Scene. The video transitions to a montage of real-world use cases. A graphic designer sketches effortlessly on the device in a sunlit cafe. A vlogger films a seamless, stable video while walking through a bustling street market. A professional takes a video call in a busy airport, with crystal-clear audio cutting through the background noise. Imagine storyboarding your next big project on the morning commute, with every detail rendered instantly. Picture yourself capturing a spontaneous moment with your family, knowing the shot will be perfectly focused and beautifully lit without a single adjustment. The Aura Prism isn't designed for a hypothetical user. It's designed for the dynamic reality of your life. It moves with you, from the creative studio to the great outdoors, seamlessly integrating into your workflow and your passions. It's the reliable partner that helps you capture, create, and connect without missing a beat, making every day more productive and every memory more vivid. Scene. The shot returns to the single beautifully lit gadget. The music softens and fades. The Aura Prism is more than an assembly of features. It's a unified experience designed to unlock your creativity and streamline your life. It's the culmination of our dedication to pushing what's possible, crafted for those who demand excellence in every detail. We set out to build not just a new gadget, but a new way to interact with the world around you. Now it's in your hands. The future isn't just coming, it's here and it's brighter than ever. Discover what you can create.